Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. No real big storm systems across the country. There is a flow of moisture into California, and there is a rain system moving through the Midwest. For us, we're just dealing with clouds. Kind of interesting. The low clouds came in from the north, and they're moving from north to south. They're eroding from south to north. So I think we're going to see some sun this afternoon, but with a north wind, temperatures will be stuck in the 40s here, 30s. Off to the north, 50s, off to the south. You can see this on our PowerCast. And 46 today, 45, 46 depending on that sunshine, 77 in Little Rock, 66 in Dodge City. That air is not heading this way yet, but wait till you see what happens on Friday. Bismarck, North Dakota, 4 degrees, so we're going to be in this colder flow here for today. Now, what about the chance of snow? We've been talking about these little snow systems tracking to our north, and that still looks like the case. So as we go through the night, tonight and into Wednesday morning, these snow systems will track from Des Moines, Omaha, back towards Valentine, Nebraska. For us, it's just going to be partly cloudy, maybe occasionally mostly cloudy. 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, another little system goes by to our north. Now, as that system goes by to our north, not only will it clip northern Missouri, probably, but for us, it wouldn't surprise me if we had a very brief sleet or snow shower, but really not going to amount to a whole lot. For us, it's just going to be a continuation of the funneling of colder air in and the snow off in the north. Now, these little systems tracking to our north are going to organize as they go through the Midwest and into New England. The LRC set up this year in a way where we are not in a spot to have big organized systems, but New England has a much better chance, and that is what's going to happen. I'll show you this here. Wednesday afternoon, we're partly cloudy. Colder air still in place, but look at that, Cincinnati towards Cleveland. Here comes the snow. Just south of Cleveland, actually, is the snow, a little bit there. And then look what happens as it turns the corner towards New York and Boston. It becomes quite a snowstorm. For us, Thursday morning, it's just cold. We'll get back to that in a second. But New York to Boston could see 6 to 10, 12 inches of snow. So if you are traveling up to the northeast, Thursday or Friday, be prepared for some delays and some really messy weather as the storm gets going there. For us, again, we might have a snow shower or sleet shower tomorrow morning, but maybe a dusting to an inch near the Missouri-Iowa border, and then 1 to 3 inches along I-80 with 3 to 6 inches possible from central and northern Nebraska. Now, Thursday morning, that's when the cold air is at its peak. 18 here, if not colder, 7 in Omaha, 3 in Sioux City. But look what happens in a 36-hour period. It really is incredible. We go to Thursday afternoon, it's 34, and watch the temperature. It drops briefly in the evening, Thursday evening to 27, and then by Friday morning, we're up to 37. And look what happens by Friday afternoon. It's incredible. A blast furnace, 63 here, 84 in Dodge City. Wow. And a cold front will be moving in over the weekend. It's going to be interesting on Saturday because if the front does not make it here, it'll be near 70. If it does pull through, which it looks like it will, we'll be in the 50s. So you have to keep an eye on that. But my goodness. And also through all these weather changes, no significant precipitation. There just isn't much there to talk about. Again, maybe a sleet or snow shower tomorrow, maybe a rain shower with this front over the weekend, but overall, we are looking dry. So this afternoon, we'll see a little more sun, around 45 degrees, down to 27 by tomorrow morning. Wind chills in the teens with these northeast winds to north winds, 10 to 15 miles per hour. 38 Wednesday, 33 Thursday, 36, 37 by Friday morning, and then 63 Friday afternoon, and then cooling off a little bit over the weekend. But that 58 Saturday could be a 70 if that front doesn't get here, so we'll be keeping an eye on that. Have a great rest of your Tuesday and week ahead.